Welcome! In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of disabling message requests on LinkedIn using your PC. This new update allows you to manage your messaging preferences more effectively, ensuring a more tailored experience on the platform. First, let's open LinkedIn. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon typically displays your profile picture or initials. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new section where you can adjust various settings related to your LinkedIn account. Now, focus on the left sidebar and click on Data Privacy. This section contains options that allow you to manage your privacy settings effectively. Within the Data Privacy section, find and click on Messages. This is where you can control how you interact with messages and requests from other LinkedIn users. Finally, look for the option that allows you to disable message requests. Toggle the setting off to prevent receiving message requests from users who are not in your network. Once you've made these changes, be sure to save them if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully disabled message requests on LinkedIn. By following these simple steps, you can maintain better control over your LinkedIn messaging experience. Whether you're looking to reduce distractions or simply prefer a more streamlined communication approach, this feature is incredibly useful. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your LinkedIn experience.